Nestled in the majestic Western Ghats of Maharashtra, Tamhini Ghat is a monsoon paradise, just a couple of hours from Pune and Mumbai. As you drive through this mountain pass, you'll be greeted by lush green valleys, cascading waterfalls, misty hills, and the soothing sound of nature all around. It's no wonder this place is a favorite for nature lovers and weekend adventurers. During the monsoon, Tamhini transforms into a magical realm, with raging waterfalls, rain-kissed forests, and clouds drifting just above the trees. Don't miss the Tamhini Waterfall or the hidden Devkund Waterfall, tucked away near Pejaroiya village. For the more adventurous, the Andharban Jungle Trek offers an unforgettable journey through dense rainforest trails. Nearby, you can relax by the serene Mulshi Lake or head to Kolad for thrilling river rafting on the Kundalika River. Whether you're chasing waterfalls, trekking through the mist, or just escaping the city noise, Tamhini Ghat promises peace, adventure, and natural beauty in every direction. Visit Tamhini, discover the soul of the Sahyadris.